Jai Srimanarayana. 13th sloka of 7th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Tribhihi gunamayaihi bhavaihi yebhis sarvam idam jagat mohitam nabhijanati mamebhyah paramavyayam. Om. In every way, Sri Krishna Paramatma remains as the Supreme. Sri Krishna Paramatma is the beyond. The three conditions originates from Sattva, Rajas and Tamo gunas. Do not fail to recognize him. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending every one of us to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha." Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall try to realize that you are supreme in every way. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. O Srimanarayana, karishye vachanam tava, sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu." Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukhamukhadam mrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantam anupetam apeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam, Dasamaskandham, 10th Skandham, 32nd day, Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis," Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, "O Parikshin Narendra," all the devatas praying to Sriman Narayana, who is there in the womb of Devaki Devi, saying like this, "Hoye Paramatma, those who are your devotees, you are the one who will remove all obstacles in their devotion. Hey Bhagavan, you don't have to come down if it is just to kill all the demons. Just by sankalpam you can kill all the demons and you can do Jagadrakshana. But you are coming down. Why? Because you wanted to show your divine Svarupam Divyamangala Vigraham to your devotees, those who are loving you, those who are devoted themselves to you. so that they can have your Swarupam established in their mind, and they can keep meditating upon that, and they can enjoy that. And if you don't take such Swarupam, such avataram, people will not have any idea what are the vigrahas to be worshipped, and they may go in wrong path. So in order to have all these people worship and dedicate themselves to you, you are the one coming down in different avatarams. Bhagavan, all the Swarupam, the forms that you are taking is totally different from all other forms. Your forms are such a divine, sacred, Divya Swarupas, and all the qualities that you have is different from the qualities, attributes all other have. Your attributes are Divya Kalyana Gunas, and all the activities that you perform are different from others' activities. Your activities are divine and miraculous activities. By seeing your Swarupam, Shrunvan, Grunan, సంస్మరయంశ్చ చింతయన్నామాని రూపాణి చ మంగళాని తే, నీ రూపును ఊహించుకొనుచు వినుచు దలంచుచు పొగడుచు వెలయువాడు భవము నొందడు నీ పాద భక్తుడగుచు. Your devotees, by seeing your forms, by enjoying your divine attributes, Kalyana Gunas, by experiencing your divine activities, they all will be completely in their own trance meditation upon you, and they will be totally surrendering to you. Like that, Devatas praying to Paramatma. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. ముకుందమాల. కృష్ణో రక్షతు నో జగత్రయ గురుః, కృష్ణం నమస్యామ్యహం. కృష్ణే నామరశత్రవో వినిహతాః, కృష్ణాయ తస్మై నమః. కృష్ణాదేవ సముత్థితం జగదిదం, కృష్ణస్య దాసోऽస్మ్యహం. కృష్ణే తిష్టతి విశ్వమేతదఖిలం, హే కృష్ణ సంరక్ష మాం. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత 7th chapter 13th శ్లోక. త్రిభిర్గుణమయైర్భావైః ఏభిః సర్వమిదం జగత్, మోహితం నాభిజానాతి మామేభ్యః పరమవ్యయం. త్రిభిర్గుణమయైర్భావైః ఏభిః సర్వమిదం జగత్, మోహితం నాభిజానాతి మామేభ్యః పరమవ్యయం. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.